I think the best thing about coaching at Lewis University is the opportunity to interact and mentor young male and female athletes as they try to work their way through college. It's so rewarding to watch these kids just expand and become positive young adults, and to help them to be able to do that is just so rewarding. That's the best thing about being at Lewis. Alumni giving is so important to our program because without that, we can't make the kind of physical improvements that we need to do. We need to improve our video systems. We need to be able to actually build a golf center. We need to get a practice facility on campus so we don't have to travel. And all of those things that the alumni could help us do and build, although they've already given wonderfully, it would mean the world to the program for the alumni to continue to support the program the way they have.